she's thick. She's thick. What's up, everyone? It's Jessica. In today's video, I will be talking about the top Black-owned beauty products that are coming with me in 2025. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. So the first products that I'll be going through are hair products. And the first one on the list is this shampoo by Adwoa Beauty. It is hands down, I think, one of the best shampoos that I've ever used. That actually does not strip my hair. It does not make it feel dry. I feel like it doesn't irritate my scalp. It has a great balance of making your hair feel clean but also moisturized at the same time. So if you're into that, make sure you check this out at Sephora. It usually goes for $28, but it is definitely a good investment. This usually lasts me probably about 2, maybe 3 months until I need another one. So Adwoa Beauty, thank you. Second on the list is this Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. I've talked about her so many times. I actually used it today and it has my hair feeling awesome. Usually goes for about $20 to $22 depending on what store you get it from. It has a great balance between moisture and protein, so be sure to check this out. The next product is this Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner, and this is what it looks like. This is by Mahisha Dellinger. And I like to use this right after I wash my hair. It is a good leave-in as far as a good protein and moisture balance, and it smells very fruity. And I've been using this for like over a decade now, so shout out to Mahisha. Don't change the formula. It's great how it is. Thank you. The next product I have here is a styler, and it's from the Uncle Funky's Daughter section, and it's the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. It has aloe vera, marshmallow, and nettle, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's a very good go-to gel. It's a little bit on the pricier side, starting at $18 and going to like $22, but it's a very good investment because it has very good ingredients. I feel like it's a gel that does not strip my hair at all, but it defines my curls like whoa. So be sure to check this out. Another product by Renee Roten Morris, Uncle Funky's Daughter CEO and founder, is this Uncle Funky's Daughter Defunk Odor Neutralizer and Scalp Tonic. Girl, when you made this, you made something special. Like, you made something sent from heaven. Sent from heaven. It's something sent from heaven because I went to Target and I was like, let me see how it smells, because I was on the fence. I was like, I never tried this product before, so let me see what it does. She did what she needed to do. She's a little bit on the pricier side. She is $15. However, I feel like this bottle, depending on how much you use it, I feel like it can last you some time. But what I love about this is that it also has pretty much natural ingredients such as chamomile, lavender, lemon balm. I used to use a hair perfume, but now I use this and it just smells so delicious. It just smells, it smells so fresh. Like, it smells like it would just freshen your hair. And I love that I can just spray this into my hand and then put it on my actual natural hair and I'm good to go. If you can find this, be sure to try this out. If you ever have protective styles that you just want to freshen up, or just if you want to freshen up your own natural hair day to day, make sure you check out Defunk Spray by Uncle Funky's Daughter. Next on the list is this Curls to Go Miss Me Over Curl Hydrator, and this is what it looks like. I love this because it has the spray nozzle and you can just spray it. Girl, you open? You can just spray it. You can just spray it onto your natural hair and it will refresh your curls or whatever type of hairstyle you have. Usually you can find this at Burlington, sometimes even TJ Maxx, and your local beauty supply store. This normally goes for about $12 to $15, but it's a great investment. It smells great. It smells like lemony, but also kind of fresh. Like, it smells like, yeah, it has a unique type of smell, and I just like this because I really can see what it does to my hair when I have like a wash and go and I need that quick refreshing type of moisture and hydration. I can definitely see the results with this. So be sure to check this out whenever you have a chance. Jane Carter is the founder of this brand. So if you're interested in checking her out, be sure to check her out. Now, the next product is by Janelle Stevens. Once again, hey girl. I haven't used her very long, but I believe she's here to stay. And it's the Camille Rose Rejuva Drops Comeback Oil. This is what she looks like. Why y'all never told me about her? What? I had to find out through like Google and stuff like that. So long story short, I kept doing a hairstyle that I feel like agitated my edges and they started to come out. So I had to do something, and I came across this oil right here, which actually does not feel, it doesn't have like an oil type of consistency, but honestly, I feel like she's working and I'm very well pleased. She smells amazing. It doesn't smell too much like an oil. The consistency is, it's on the watery side, but don't let that deter you because the first ingredient is water. There's also castor oil, peppermint oil, and saw palmetto in this. It says it's for hair loss and alopecia. So if you suffer with any of those things, or you just happen to want a new type of hair growth product, be sure to check this out. And yeah, I've been using her since February 5th. I haven't been using her very long, but so far in these 2 to 3 weeks, I've been seeing some improvements in my hairline. I wish I could show you guys, but let me show you guys. I've been seeing like my edges come in a little more. We can save that for another video. We can say that. But shout out to this product. I mean, I feel like it's an award-winning product. More people should know about her. And yeah, check her out. Make sure you check her out. Let's move on to makeup. I have 2 products for makeup. And the first one is this cream blush by Fenty Beauty. Of course, by Rihanna. It's in the shade Strawberry Drip. This is what it looks like. There's a little mirror right here in case you need to see what you're doing. I should probably do an empty makeup faves type of video. Let me know if you want to see that in the comments down below. It's a nice pink, like a pinky peachy type of shade. And it looks so good on black skin. I do need another one, so yeah. She's cute. She's here to stay, and she's black owned, black created, black owned, and black bought, period. And the next thing that I've been loving, again by Riri, is this Fenty Skin Plush Puddin. And it is an intensive recovery lip mask in this nice type of aesthetically pleasing type of packaging. And it does have a little shimmer in it. I can actually show you guys what it looks like. So you just turn this. It comes up. And a little goes a long way with this, so you don't have to go crazy with this. It has like a little like milky type of feel. This is not like something I would wear like as a lip gloss. I mean, you can, but I normally like to put it on when I'm in the house. And then if you put on too much, just be sure to wipe in the excess. The next category is skincare, and I have been enjoying this Fenty Skin Butta Drop. What it looks like inside. A little goes a long way. She's thick. She's thick. It's a whipped oil body cream. So what I love to do, especially during this time, I definitely like to pair her with my Jergens. I know they're not black owned. I know. Don't kill me. Don't shoot me. But I like to pair her with my Jergens. So after I put on my Jergens, I do like to put this on just to give me that extra boost of hydration. And I actually have some on my hands now. I don't know if you guys can tell. I needed to put some on for this video. You know what I'm saying? Because my hands were a little dry. And what I like about this is that you don't really have to reapply as much as you do with regular creams and lotions. So that's an A+ for this. It is a little pricey. It normally goes for, I believe, somewhere between $30 and $40 for the 200 ml. And this is the 6.7 fluid ounces. And I think there's a smaller size, but I like this big size. And it just has like a fresh, glowy type of smell and feel. And honestly, it will leave your skin glowing for days. I mean, look at my hand. You can't really see, but it also, I feel like it keeps you very hydrated and insulated. I don't know where you guys reside, but here in the Northeast, it's been very, very cold, where temperatures have been feeling like 5 degrees, 2 degrees, and all types of 1-digit type of degrees. And I've been putting this on in the mornings before I go out to work underneath my leggings, and I just feel so warm, so cozy. And my skin, I feel like my skin just loves me when I put this on. My skin loves me even more when I put this on. So be sure to check out Fenty Skin by my girl Riri. Hey girl. I know this is not a black owned product, but I did want to mention that this is a product that is black skin friendly, and I have to just talk about it. This is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Night Cream, and I must say it is a 10 out of 10 type of diamond in the rough. I've been using this for about a decade now, and I haven't switched to another night cream. I've added another night cream to my routine, but I haven't replaced this. Ever since I started using it, this has not been replaced. And again, it's very black skin friendly. It has my skin looking so youthful each and every day. I feel so comfortable, you know, going out the house with no makeup on because of adding this to my routine every night. It's pretty affordable. It usually goes for about $20 from CVS, and honestly, I feel like it has cleared up some hyperpigmentation because, you know, sometimes as black people, we do suffer from the darkening of our normal skin color. Like we normally get like dark areas on our skin, and I feel like this helps to lighten and brighten it up without like feeling like you're bleaching or turning your skin to a whole different color, even though our color does change in the wintertime. But this, I promise you that this does not change your actual skin color. It just eradicates things that don't belong on your skin or that aren't a part of your actual skin tone. So yeah, it brightens, but it doesn't lighten. Another product, it's not black owned, but it is very black skin friendly, so I have to talk about it. And it's this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. And I just want to say shout out to Vaseline. I feel like they always have black women in mind when they're making their products. It is a vitalizing body oil for healthy, glowing skin. And again, this is such a great staple in the winter months when your skin needs hydration and you don't want to go and buy another Fenty Skin body butter. I get it. You can usually find this for around $10 to $15 maybe at Target. I probably shouldn't talk about Target right now, but girl, go get you one of these at whatever store that you are shopping at these days, because the world is some crazy times, you know, living some crazy times. But yeah, you can find this at Target. And again, shout out to Vaseline, and thank you for the brands that keep black people in mind, especially black women. Shout out to all the CEOs and the entrepreneurs, the black entrepreneurs who are doing their thing in making strides in the hair care industry. And I'm excited to see what industries we get to dominate next. Until next time, enjoy the journey. Peace.